In this workout, I'm going to help gradually guide you through the very tedious process of learning a riff from start to finish. And hopefully by the end of the video, you'll be able to play the riff from Boys Don't Cry by The Cure. So go grab your guitar and see if you can keep up. There's a lot of different ways that you can play this riff, and I've tried teaching all of them, but this is the version that my students usually get down the fastest. It looks like this. So we're going to be playing this riff in second position, which means you're going to put your pointer finger in the second fret and then assign the next 3 frets with your next 3 fingers. So on the tab, if you saw a 2, you'd use your pointer finger. If you saw a 3, you'd use your middle finger, and so on. Since our brains aren't very good at remembering more than 7 pieces of information at a time, we want to break this riff down into small, digestible chunks, like this. Chunk number 1 is going to be 2, 2, 3, 0, and you'd play that again, 2, 2, 3, 0. Chunk 2 is 0, 0, 2, 4, 5, and then the last chunk is going to be 2, 0, 3, 2. We'll start off by doing a round of repeat after me so you can become more familiar with each chunk just at your own speed before we put the pressure on with the drum track. I'll play the chunk so that you can hear it, then you can try it and make sure you're doing it correctly, and we'll just kind of go back and forth 5 times so you know that you're doing it right before we move on. After that, we'll work on gradually speeding up each chunk with the drum track. We'll start at 50% speed and then play each chunk 2 times, increase the speed by 10%, and we'll just do that until we get up to normal speed. Then we'll know that it's physically possible to play each chunk at full speed, and we just got to work on putting them together. So then we'll go back down to 50% and try playing the whole riff 2 times in a row, and then increase the speed by 10% and do that until we get up to full speed. And even though you were already able to play each chunk at full speed, that doesn't mean you'd be able to move from one chunk to the next chunk in time at full speed. That's why we need to go back down to a slower speed to give your brain time to plan ahead and execute the transition in time and then work our way up to full speed. It's like a separate muscle that we need to work on. I know that whole process probably doesn't sound super fun, but that's just how you learn a song. It takes a lot of patience and willingness to do the same thing over and over and over again for 30 minutes to an hour. But the end result's really fun. So let's try it. All right, let's do a little back and forth on chunk number 1. 2, 2, 3, 0. 2, 2, 3, 0. 2, 2, 3, 0. All right, then chunk number 2, we got 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. All right, then chunk number 3. 2, 0, 3, 2. 2, 0, 3, 2. 2, 0, 3, 2. All right, now let's start at 50% of normal speed and try each chunk 2 times with the drum track. Here we go. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. All right, here's 60%. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. Here's 70%. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. 80%. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. 90%. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. And here's normal speed. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. Ready, go. 2, 2, 3, 0. All right, now let's do the same thing with chunk number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. All right, here's 60%. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. All right, here's 70%. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. All right, here's 80%. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. 90%. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. Ready, go. 0, 0, 2, 4, 5. All right, here's normal speed. Ready, go. Ready, go. Nice work. Now let's go back down to 50% again and do chunk 3. Here we go. The count-off's going to be a little weird on this one. Ready, go. 2, 0, 3, 2. Ready, go. 2, 0, 3, 2. Here's 60%. Ready, go. 2, 0, 3, 2. Ready, go. 2, 0, 3, 2. 70%. Ready, go. 2, 0, 3, 2. Ready, go. 2, 0, 3, 2. 80%. Ready, go. 2, 0, 3, 2. Ready, go. 2, 0, 3, 2. 90%. Ready, go. Ready, go. Full speed. Ready, go. Ready, go. Chunk 3 is weird for a few reasons, but one of those reasons is definitely the triplet that's in there. So if you haven't mastered all of the exercises on this channel and you need something to help you get used to some triplets, then go check out this video. All right, now pause the video, play through the riff a few times at your own speed, moving from chunk to chunk. Just kind of prime the pump before we try it with the drum track. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's 60%. 1, 2, ready, go. %. Ready, go. %. Ready, go. %. Ready, go. right, here's 100%. If you got this down, you've got it mastered. 1, 2, ready, go. And it's done. Nice work. Well, if you can play along with me, next step would be to click this button and try playing along with the recording. It's a lot more fun when the whole band's going and not just me and my fun little keyboard here. And if you haven't noticed, there are some buttons right here. I'd be very appreciative if you clicked them. Thank you. Practice till your fingers bleed, and remember, boys do cry. Bye.